What's up, traders, and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be talking about some of the unique functionality, some of the unique features built into the Market Barometer software, specifically the features built into the charting tools within the software. So let's dive in. So to begin, in the technical analysis section here, on any of the charts in the software, you're going to find that when you hover over that chart, you get this selection, this series of buttons in the top right corner. These buttons are going to allow you to look at the data in different ways. So starting with this More Options button here, we get several options. We get this handy spotlight feature. That's going to just mute out everything that's not the chart you're looking at. Hovering over again and clicking More Options, we get this Show as Table feature. It's going to leave your price chart here, but it's also going to give you the individual data points that are being fed into that price chart in this table here. Lastly, in the More Options section, we also have this Export Data feature. That's going to allow you to export the underlying data behind this table as an Excel spreadsheet, just in case you're wanting to do any further analysis of your own. Beyond that, we also have this handy Focus Mode button. Clicking that is just going to give us a zoomed in version of just this chart, full sized to the screen. It's going to give you a closer look at the individual data points. So those are kind of the basics of the chart functionality. Beyond that, in some of the charts, we also have a date hierarchy functionality built in. So a date hierarchy, what it's going to do, it's going to aggregate data points based on different time frames. So for example, in the fundamental analysis section, the main thing that we want to find in the data here is the longer term trends. So we have the charts here defaulting to aggregate annually. What does that mean? It means that each of these data points is going to be the average of the entire year. So hovering over 2020, you can see the average so far in 2020 of all the EV/EBITDA readings in this case is 13.90. And that's the figure that you're getting over to the left of the chart. But if you come back here to 2019, you can see the average EV/EBITDA for all of 2019 was 10.34. So on and so forth, working back in time. Now, you might want to see more current readings or just look at this in a more granular way. So that functionality is built in here utilizing this down pointing fork button. Clicking that is going to take you down in the date hierarchy to get you to a more granular level. Clicking it once brings you to quarterly aggregations. So right now it's September 2020, so you can see that we have 3 quarters worth of data in 2020. So here is quarter 1, quarter 2, and quarter 3. So we have more data points in 2020 now, quarterly aggregations. Clicking the down pointing fork again is going to take you to monthly aggregations. So you're going to get the average of each month so far in 2020 here. Clicking the down pointing fork again, it takes us to the most granular level. It's going to give you the daily reading. So if you come to the end of the chart here, you're going to get the absolute most recent day reading, which right now is 12.10. So if you want to move back up in the date hierarchy, all you have to do is click this drill up button, the up arrow. Clicking once takes you back to monthly aggregations, again to quarterly aggregations, and one more time takes us all the way back up in the date hierarchy to annual aggregations. So I encourage you guys to play around with the features and functionality on the charts. It's going to help you manipulate the data and get unique new insights related to the data. So thanks for tuning in today, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.